Hi there, I'm Suranga from English Win. Today we are going to talk about one common English expression, that is how come. So shall we see first how we express the idea in Sinhala? අපි සිංහලේදී අපි කියනවා සමහරවිට අපි කියනවනේ එහෙම වෙන්නේ කොහොමද? එහෙම වෙන්න බෑනේ. කොහොමද එහෙම වෙන්නේ? ඇයි එහෙම වුනේ? එහෙම වෙන්න බෑනේ. I show my surprise. I'm really surprised. So that's the idea. So how come? How come? So you can use this isolated, or you can use this in a sentence. Shall you see the meaning of how come? Why? How does it happen? How did it happen? Why? How does it happen? How did it happen? That's the idea. How come you never told me about Sujan before? Sujan ගැන මට ඔයා ඇයි කලින් කිව්වේ නැත්තේ? So the thing is actually Sujan is somebody. He hasn't told me about Sujan. So I have no idea who Sujan is, what Sujan is doing and things like that. So now Sujan is in interest. Now the thing is everybody knows about Sujan. I have no idea. So it's bad you're not telling me about Sujan. ඒ වගේ idea එකක්. ඇයි සුජාන් ගැන මට කිව්වේ නැත්තේ? How come you didn't tell me about Sujan earlier? How come you never told me about Sujan before? ඇයි මට සුජාන් ගැන කලින් කිව්වේ නැත්තේ? ඒතර ඒ how come එක sentence එකක් එක්ක ආවේ. අපි සරල අදහසක් විදිහට ගම්බන්. How come you didn't tell me about your wedding? How come you didn't tell me about you were coming to Goal? ඇයි ගාල් එන්න බෑ මට කිව්වේ නැත්තේ? ඇයි wedding එක ගැන මට කිව්වේ නැත්තේ? Yeah, something like that. How come there is no petrol in the tank? How come? ඒකවා පුදුමෙන් වගේ පෙන්නන්න ඕනේ. How come? කොහොමද එහෙම වෙන්නේ? ඒ idea එක. How come you never told me about Sujan's wedding? How come there is no petrol in the tank? Yeah. Somebody would say, Sujan came last night. How come? Sujan was with me last night. It cannot be. He went to bed. That's an idea like that. Bye. See you with a new video.